in Sydney Harbour, we're undertaking a passive restoration of kelp, golden kelp, Eclonia radiata. And to do so, we're removing urchins from the barrens which have been created here due to the lack of balance between predator and prey in the urchin barrens. So when large species such as the blue groper diminish in the harbour, we tend to see a boom of urchins which remove kelp from those areas. So we're going and actively removing the urchins from those areas and allowing the kelp to grow back and all of the animals to come back into those areas.